Today we are going to explore the boilerplate project. When we select the Flutter project template, it creates the bare bone of application. Let's see what is created in it. Under the Project Explorer tab you will see two nodes. The first one is our project node, while the second one is external libraries. These are the dependencies of project. In external libraries, there are two main SDK are installed. First one is Dart, it is the base language of Flutter, and second one is Flutter itself. Now move to our project node. Here we can see several folders, but only 3 are significant. As we know, the Flutter is cross-platform, one code base is good enough for both Android and iOS. Keeping this in consideration, Flutter template include one folder for each platform. Third folder, which is our main folder, and we write all application code under this folder. Under the lib folder, there is main Dart file. It is the only file in this folder. It is the main entry point of application. Let's see what is in the main Dart file. The start of the file is import section. All the packages required by the code in this file are mentioned here. Here material package is imported. In the later videos we will explore what are the materials in Flutter and how they are used. For the time being it is important to know that the material package is required in every file where widgets are used. Everything you see on the screen in mobile application is widget. And Flutter frequently uses the widgets to compose the layouts of application. Let's see what is down below. Here is the main function. It is the first function called when application start. Main function is creating the object of MyApp class, that's it. Now onward everything will be handled by the MyApp class. MyApp class is widget and it is extended from stateless widget. There are two main widgets in Flutter. One is stateless and other is stateful widget. We will discuss these widgets in more details in upcoming episodes. Here it is important to know MyApp widget is the main root widget of application. Below is my homepage widget, it is the layout of my homepage. Since my homepage is maintaining state throughout the life cycle of application. Therefore it is extended from stateful widget. As I told you, it is stateful widget, it consists on two parts. One part, which is the My Homepage class, it is responsible of maintaining the state. The other part is extended from state of type My Homepage class. Don't be confused, things will be cleared as we will make progress in learning Flutter. Only the point to understand here is, this class is actually building the layout of our homepage. That's it. Nothing more or less. That was a quick tour of default Flutter template. It is good idea to see how application looks on mobile screen. Here we go. This is our application homepage. With simple app bar on the top. One floating button in lower right bottom. And two-line message in the middle of screen. Let's see what's happened when we click on the floating button. The counter starts counting. That's a good sign. That's all for today. Stay tuned with us, there are more upcoming video on Flutter. If you have not subscribed our channel, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. If you are on Facebook, follow our page. You will be notified as soon we release new videos.